Stars. 11 idol rising stars. Who will be traveling to Manchester? Rajiv Roy. Akash Dalui. Mohammad Akib. Karan Prana. Nachibir Dutt. Sachin Negi. Premchand Singh. Neeraj Singh. Captain Kong Lang. Saurabh Balraj. Mark D'Souza. Akram Khan. Suraj Basmati. K. Nagaraju. Rehan. Clarence Bernardo. Suraj Shirokar. Joshan Das. The ability that we've seen over the 2 days has been pretty top draw, some raw talent. And I tell you what, with the Under-17 FIFA Championships coming in 2017, I think it's going to be great for India, especially Goa as a region as well. So we can only look forward to India hopefully doing well in that competition. We really enjoyed our experience over here in the 2 days. As I was telling the boys, over the last couple of days, you've worked really, really hard. Now, when you put things in perspective, you are 23 boys which have come from nearly 20,000 players who registered for the Rising Stars. So I'd just like to give you guys, if everybody can give these guys and you guys a big round of applause. Now, there will be 11 players which have been selected to go on to Manchester, and that's going to be an absolutely unbelievable experience. But the experience that you have gone through to get here, that really is something that you can't take for granted, and you should be really proud of yourselves. It's Rakesh K from Hyderabad. Listen to Colasso from Goa.
I have with me Lami Sanola, the coach of Manchester United Foundation. Lami, overall, this trials is a huge exercise conducted over a 6-month period with 20 odd thousand boys going through it. What sort of effort it takes from coaches and the stakeholders in India and Manchester United to execute it to the best of their abilities?
Well, it takes months of planning and hard work. I must say, Airtel Procam, Manchester United have put together such an inspirational kind of program, an inclusive program, a program which is really capturing the minds of the young people in India to engage in football, to bring out talent. But I think this program is also a development piece for the young people, the participants, and the footballers here. A lot of work has gone into this, so there's special credit to the likes of Airtel for being creative, because this is also helping the football community here in India. While we've been here in Goa, there's a lot of passion for football here in this region, which is exciting to see. So this can only do massive things for football in India.
Right. Now the lucky and talented 11 go to Manchester United soccer schools. What sort of opportunity or environment awaits these young boys there?
Yeah, first of all, it's unfortunate that only 11 can go, because, like you mentioned, 20,000 people have gone through this program. 23 young players here have given their all over 2 days, and they've definitely showed us the creativity, the passion, the drive, the hard work, the respect that they've showed, all true qualities of a footballer, the true qualities that we look in for a footballer at Manchester United. Now, the 11 players are going to have a life-changing experience. Yes, they're going to be introduced to the Manchester United way. They will see some iconic venues in the Theatre of Dreams, Old Trafford, Aon Training Complex, and other places within Manchester. I think there's a cultural kind of development piece here. Yes, they're going to have access to football coaching and see how it's done the Manchester United way. From the perspective of the Manchester United Foundation, this is inspiring potential and fulfilling dreams, and I think what Airtel has done here has made Manchester United as a partner really, really proud, because it's been really inclusive to all. So these young people, what they can also do is come back to their relevant cities within India and inspire and be mentors, youth mentors, for when they come back from their trip from Manchester.
Right. How many countries does Manchester United Foundation do such kind of trials, and what are the results coming through?
Well, Manchester United is a super brand. It's a global iconic brand. It's one of the #1 sporting organizations in the world, and a well-known football club. Now, we work with several partners all over the globe in all regions. Not official sources, but there's nearly 650 million supporters who are United fans. So we try and engage, and the partners try and put creative programs like Airtel have done within this, for example, what has been done in this region. They can vary to similar kind of talent identification, or that inspirational piece engaging with young people.
Right. Finally, there are so many thousands of boys who have not made the cut. Overall, we as Indians look forward to India improving in football and moving to the next level. So, what message can you give to our viewers out there?
Well, what we can really say is kind of how we take setbacks and kind of successes as a club, and the ethos of Manchester United. We kind of celebrate our successes. Then the next day we kind of go on, we put that behind us, and then we look for the next challenge. When we're not so fortunate, we pick ourselves up and we brush ourselves off and we go again, and that's the spirit of Manchester United. So what we can say about the young people that didn't quite make it this time round, I think they've got to take this experience that they've had, use the positive elements, because not only have they played football, they've been having classroom sessions on communication, self-belief,
and raising their confidence and teamwork in activity. So they've got to take this experience and use that positive to their next chapter.
With that, we come to the end of this program. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.